Welcome to your meditation on the 100th Monkey Transmission. Whether you do or don't know the concept, it is a beautiful one, so take your time to come and find a place to lie down and rest, or sit. You can even stand or walk, depending on what feels good to you. Wherever you are, feel the ground or the furniture supporting you as you allow your breath to come and go. No need to change or judge. You are exactly where you're supposed to be. When enough beings hold enough frequency across distances, the pattern jumps. This is not a metaphor. Your body is your antenna. It always has been. You've been receiving the world's chaos. You've been absorbing the world's pain. Because antennas transmit as well as receive, we're now going to rewire to broadcast coherence, to broadcast heart coherence, the frequency where your electromagnetic field extends meters beyond yourself and beyond your skin. After this meditation, others will feel your peace. They will listen before you even speak a word. This is how we've reached critical mass. And this is how peace becomes contagious. Relax now as you allow this transmission. Feel your eyelids covering your eyes. Feel your breathing deep. Let all of the world's weight settle into the earth beneath you. You don't need to carry it anymore. Feel yourself descending now. Feel your breathing slow. Feel your heart. Feel the rhythm. Feel the coherence point. As your body remembers what it was always meant to be. An instrument of transmission. The static is clearing. The signal is now strengthening, preparing to receive tomorrow's transmission today. Now open the channel across time. 6 months from now, you're holding the frequency of peace. So steadily and so powerfully. Critical mass has tipped. The world has shifted. That version of you speaks now, back from the quantum field, as your future self. Your future self speaks. It says, I'm speaking to you 6 months from now. I want you to know we made it. The critical mass tipped exactly as the theory predicted. I remember when you first started this transmission, how heavy the world's pain felt in your body. But you kept broadcasting coherence anyway. You kept holding a steady frequency with your heart wide open, and the field shifted every time you chose to transmit peace instead of absorbing chaos. Someone else woke up. You are the 100th monkey. You came exactly at the right moment. Your heart's electromagnetic field extends so much further than you can see. People feel your peace before you speak. They regulate to your calm. Keep transmitting even when you don't see the results yet. I am living in the world you are creating right now. It is peaceful, harmonious, and it started with your choice to become the antenna. Broadcast now in this moment. The world is receiving you. Critical mass is closer than you think. Your sensitivity is not your weakness, it is your power. Feel everything and transform it into light. You are doing this. I am proof. Keep holding the frequency. Hold the frequency. Feel the rhythm and not the void. Integrate your future self into every cell. Bring the transmission with you. Listen to it again if you need to. The antenna remains active. The heart continues to broadcast. Even as you return, the coherence stays. You are forever changed. No longer do you broadcast pain. You broadcast peace. You broadcast harmony. You broadcast unity. Every moment, every heartbeat. The transmission continues. Be